Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing so well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make chicken and vegetable stir fry. So let's get into it, and please, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lydia. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have here zucchini, carrots, broccoli and cauliflower. It's all steamed. And I have here hoisin sauce. I have here minced ginger, chopped onion and garlic, and I have here marinated chicken breast fillets. Also, I have here soya sauce, sesame oil, dark soya sauce, and fish sauce. So in a saucepan, I'll be frying the ginger, onion, and garlic, and also the onion. So I'll be frying it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and added the chicken and fried it for about another 5 minutes. Over here, I'm adding the soya sauce mixture. Now after adding the soya sauce, I left it to cook for about 5 minutes. I've now added my chicken, cooked chicken, and also go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water and add to the stir fry. I'm adding 1 cup of water to the stir fry. I'm also adding the hoisin sauce. Now after adding the hoisin sauce, I covered it and cooked for about a few minutes. Now I'm adding my vegetables. So these vegetables, I've already steamed it, and I made sure it wasn't overcooked. I'll go ahead and add another 1 cup of water. and cover it to boil for about 5 minutes. So after a few minutes of cooking, this is how it's looking like. It's looking so colorful and so beautiful. So vegetable stir fry is now done, and I'll be serving it with braised rice or oil rice. Look how beautiful it's looking. And please, if you have enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This recipe is so easy to make, so please, you can try it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.